Hey guys, Tony here. So like on my previous video, we did break out. I did let you guys know that I'm pretty sure we were gonna break out again. The hour and the 30 minute did look really bullish. So I'm not really surprised that we broke out. But right now we have to create new highs, which happened back on October 7th, and highs were 37 microcents. If we can manage to keep running up and create new highs of 30, past 37 microcents, I think the next level, I know the next level is going to be 59 microcents. I'll tell you guys that right now. If we do end up breaking to the high side, breaking 37 microcents, the next level that we're going to is going to be 59 microcents or 60, whatever. I think that's going to be the next stop where we're going. I don't think it's going to be anything under that. Again, as far as we do break these relative highs of 37 microcents, I think we're running to 59. And I think from there, I think it's going to be a pretty good chance of us hitting 90 microcents. And then after the previous high of 90 microcents, that's all price discovery right there. So after that point, it's really just, we have no idea where we can go after that. After that, it's just going to run until it wants to stop. But as of right now, it does look like Shiba Inu is breaking out again. And I gotta say, it feels pretty good to still be holding, man. It feels pretty cool. But again, like I said, you gotta break that 37 microcent mark, or else you're probably just gonna stay here and come back down. I'm telling you guys that right now. If the 37 microcents does not get broken, you guys can see too, right? Highs 37 microcents, highs of 36.90. So we missed it by like 0.00010. So just as long as you guys see that 37 microcent be broken and possibly close after that, I think we're going to keep running to 59, man. It's absolutely crazy. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.